Hello YouTube and welcome to an episode of Minecraft Ultimate. We're here at our little base we've got, and you might notice in this barrel we've got a lot of marble and basalt bricks, and you may notice over here that there is a big building. Okay, let's talk about what's happened since the last episode. First of all, I made a dark matter pickaxe using a condenser at the car base. Okay. Also at the car base I condensed a load of lapis lazuli to make coloured stone bricks out of, and I also made a lot of basalt bricks and marble inside the condenser at the base so that I could put together this building here. This is the factory design layout. Now it's not finished by any means. As you can see, we've got marble for the floor. There's actually painted glowstone in here. See if we can find one. I think there's one. No, it must be this line here. Yeah, here we go, painted glowstone. It looks like marble, but it's not marble, it's painted glowstone, which lights it up, so if I were to press the button that opens up this thing to show you where mobs can spawn. As you can see, they can't spawn anywhere on the factory floor. You can also probably see on the mini-map as well. So, this is where my base is going to be in the future. Underneath here, as you will see, is this sort of area. Popped it on top of here. Eventually I'll flatten this out and make it like a proper basement, something like that. So we have a lot of bricks to work with. I will have to make more of these, but I plan to make this building a lot taller, like the previous factories, and it will sort of branch out from this design slightly later on, because I do currently have a lovely template that I was using earlier. And I also got a builder's wand, which I got from the car base as well, just for the building purposes, which makes it a little bit easier, you see. It does take a fair bit of time to build, so I'll be back in a bit when I've done a bit more to it. Yeah, and then we'll just move some stuff into here and we'll get set up inside the factory. So I'll see you guys in a second. Okay guys, I am back. I've done some work on building on the walls. I've decided not to set up move my stuff in here yet, because when I get started on Energistics, I want my AE system to basically run through the factory. The factory is my AE system, and putting stuff in there will confuse me, because I have to like go around stuff, things like that, which is kind of annoying. I prefer to just use like P2P tunnels or something like that to get my things spread around. Be a lot easier. Anyway, other than that, it's all pretty good. It's a bit taller, it's about 6 blocks taller. I've put a little thing over the top of the door here, so eventually we'll have a piston door or drawbridge door, maybe, probably be better, along the top here, dropping down to here. Yeah, something like that, I don't know. It's hard to say. God. Yeah, more creepies. I was really worried then. I was like, oh no, he's gonna kill me. He's gonna blow up my stuff. Oh, we had loads of bricks in here. Okay, I made a load more bricks because I was condensing lapis lazuli at the other base. So I didn't realise that we had a load hanging around. No, not a problem. Got more than I thought we had. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, so as you may have heard me mention, we're running a bit low on what's it called? Storage space. I don't think I have mentioned it, but we are very, very quickly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make myself something called a flux crystal, or make quite a few of them. Let's see. So this is from Energistics. This thing is. Here's a pool of water, and what you do is you charge those quartz, redstone and nether quartz, like that, and as you can see, it's all sort of spewing out all over the place, and it gives you 2 flux crystals per one of these, and one of the nether quartz. A load of these. What we want to make is something called a charger. Right, the first thing you want to make is 2 flux crystals and 5 iron. Iron will be in this chest. As you can probably tell, my ores have processed, so I do have quite a lot of things to sort of play with as I get on with it. Yeah, can this connect up to here? Maybe. Can it charge directly off that though? Oh, it can. Cool. That's pretty awesome. Useful. So you can charge Certus quartz into charge Certus quartz so I can make more fluix in the future. Problem is, we really need a better power source before we can do anything useful, don't we, really? Yeah. That is a slight issue. I would like to use solar. I will need photovoltaic, energetic alloy, fused quartz, electrical steel. Quite expensive at the moment, isn't it? I'll be back in a second when I thought of the power supply. Okay guys, I'm just going to go for AE2 solar panels, just easiest, I think. So, got a forge hammer and a cutter, which I just nicked from the other base, but still. So you need to make these electronic circuits, which requires iron plates. 8 of these. So we're going to make 4 solar panels, basically, is what I'm saying. Okay, and we're going to need some tin, because we need to make some generators, so we need oh, okay, I don't need to worry about that then. So these get insulated using this rubber, and we then take cobblestone, got a bit of, because we're going to need 3 furnaces. Oops. 4 furnaces, sorry, because we're making 4, aren't we? So I do need to turn this into wires as well. I don't know why I didn't. Just turn it all in to it. And we're going to need some tin item casings as well. That should be enough, I think. Okay. Great to get quite a lot of these. We're going to need 32 of these. Okay, that's good. And we just surround it like that. I'm making machine casings, put the furnace at the bottom and RE batteries at the top to make generators. We're going to need pulverized coal. We're going to need to make 12 of that. Off you go. Put the pulverizer on its way. You should be getting there. Yeah, you are. Okay, I want to smelt up some iron inside here. Let's say, like, I don't know, 16 iron. Oh, okay, so it doesn't work in that furnace, of course. Come on. Furnace. Still got some of the machines in here, even though we moved some of them across to the other, our actual, like, machine hut thing. Probably need to move them all, really. Yeah, there we go, cool. We need some glass. Oh god, that's gonna be annoying. Pulverizer is making the most annoying noise. And you can't get rid of the noise either because it's on a server. Hey, I'll be back. So let me just log out, log back in. That should hopefully fix that. Yeah, there we go, it's fixed now. Okay, good. We're going to need to get some sand. much got as well. I need 12 sand smelters. I'll just use the car-based one. It's just easier. It's faster. Cool. Back to the null base. Let's see, like that. That thing. 4 solar panels. Nice. So the reason why I cooked up all this steel was because I need to make these things called universal cables, which are like, they're like these, except they can carry RF, and the IC2 power that I'm just going to hook up here, which makes them a little bit better really in the long run. Can I get rid of this tree? Not really easily. So let's see if we got enough power to attach the alloy smelter as well, then probably, but let's find out by doing, actually no, I don't really need to test it out. Testing it out isn't necessary. See, we've got these. Now we've got this extra power, we should be able to make energy acceptor, which requires quartz glass, requires Certus quartz dust, or nether quartz dust, depending on which one you get more of. I'd probably prefer to use the Certus because it's easy to get hold of. Is it 5? Yeah. 10, 15, 20. Pulverizer. I'm just going to turn off my game sounds because that's annoying how it does that. I have no idea whether you can actually hear it at all. So, and we're going to need more glass as well. So we're going to have to get more sand. Let's have a look at that. Diamond and 2 sticks. Got you. Alright. Done shovel. See if we can get some sand from here easily. There we go. That's good. I probably need like a proper sand machine of sorts to make sand for me. Using the igneous extruder or whatever. Which is quite easy. It's easy to set up, I just can't be bothered at the moment. I'm very lazy before I've got anything done. I'm going for the more essential stuff. Just to get me started. Okay. Alright, that's quite a lot of sand. So that should be enough, I think, just to get me going on that. Right, let's just go to sleep. Yeah. So we've got the flying room, which is great. I'm happy about that. I think it was a good decision, otherwise I wouldn't have built that building. So a bit of glass. That's enough to make one piece of this. Quartz glass, which is four pieces of quartz glass. Okay, that's good. So we can actually build the energy acceptor in a second. We should do one more iron. Energy acceptor. Okay, that's good. Then we need to build. We need more glass for this, but show you that. That makes these things with quartz fibers, which if you put with the flux crystal, you get ME glass cable fluix. Okay, this is where it starts to get very good, basically. We're going to need a few pistons, sticky pistons that is, so it's a good thing I've got this raw rubber over here, otherwise I wouldn't be able to make these. We're going to need to make about 5 of them, so I need 5 pistons. I've got one already. And by 5 pistons, I mean more than 5 pistons. 10 pistons, really. Yeah, we need more cobble. 4, 7, I'll cobble again. Okay, 10 of those. And we just put that with this raw rubber to make sticky pistons. And you put that like that. So that's there's crystal in the middle? Yeah, it's inscriber, so I got 5 of those. And you can pop them down. We are going to need more room. I don't have an axe. Oh, I do have an axe, never mind. Yeah, of course I do, I made that lumber axe. I don't know why I forgot about that. Probably because I just sort of forget about things that aren't in my chest. It has been a week since I last recorded, so... get rid of the sulfur as well, I don't need it. I don't need to hang on to it, really, at the moment. So I can pop the inscribers down over here. 5, I can wrench them around like this. Yep, I can put hoppers on the top of them or something like that. That's probably what we want to do. Bring fluix cable around the back here. Like so, and universal cables can go around the side here. There, over here. All this stuff is just sort of flying everywhere, and I have absolutely nowhere to put it. This is no, it's not eating power. It just looks like it is. Okay. Yeah. So then we want to make some hoppers. Hopper. Quite a few hoppers, I'd say. Probably. Be quite nice. So chests 1, 2, 3, 4. Four hoppers. I don't need a 5th one yet, really. There we go. And I've just realised that if I want to do what I'm doing, I need to get like 1 more inventory space slot. Well, I will need a bit more inventory space than I have currently anyway. Get rid of these things I just don't need. Okay, right, now is the time to investigate these things. These are Energistics meteors, and we need to harvest them. There's one over here. Let's harvest these things then. So this skystone takes a while to break. It's very strong material. Though inside is these presses. So I got a logic, engineering, and calculation press. I'm going to take this chest as well because it's got a fairly large inventory space, and I'm going to need that much space, as you can tell by the fact that I have nothing at all. That is a really weird hole in the map. That looks like a geyser to me. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Anyway, that one's already been looted by us. This one probably not so much. Let's have a look at it quickly. Oh, this one has been looted as well. Silicon press, there we go, that's what I wanted. Actually, I'll just take the chest anyway and delete the extra copy of the logic press. Yeah, so we got a load of things. Let's go back to the base. Pop down my 2 skystone chests to put things in. Yeah, that's good because I really do need that space. Okay, so let's pop the silicon press in there, the logic press in there, calculation in here, and engineering in there. Okay, so that's good. That's a good start. And what we want now is a sag mill. There it is, sag mill. There's a machine chassis. I had a capacitor around here, didn't I? Or have I picked it up? I swear I had one. Did I? No, there it is. Iron bars. Yeah, so we should be able to make the chassis at least. Cool. A bit more cobble. We can get out of which chest is good. Cobblestone. Piston. I need 3 flint. Other than that, we're all okay for this. We need another flint. Why do we have none ever when I need it, but always have some? Oh, look, 1 immediately. Okay, that's not too bad, I suppose, in the long run. Okay, so you can go there, let's say, sure. So into you have to put clay, which I don't think I have any of, because I don't know what the conduit binder. Yeah, okay. Got a diamond shovel, so that's fine. Let's go get some clay from the river. I'll tidy up the area around here eventually, just to make it look nicer after I've destroyed it, looking for sand and things. The river. Clay, good. 1. Nice. We're getting quite a bit of this clay now. 44 clay. It's all good. There's a load here. Absolutely tons of it. Great. Oh yeah, I think tons of clay. There we go, that's good. So it's like 32 clay, which is pretty good. It's good. It's good. And that makes us a lot of silicon, because you put clay blocks into the sag mill, and it gives you a chance of getting silicon. You don't always get it, but there is a pretty good chance that you will. Yeah, I got some already. Good. So that's used in the this one here, the silicon press, to make pressed silicon circuit board backs, which you then can put the circuits onto using the final inscriber, which I haven't yet done with a hopper yet, and with good reason. Things, yes, things no longer turn into unnamed when I hold shift over them. That's good. I'm not sure why that happened, but it's not happening now, so that's a good sign. And I haven't changed any of the mods, so I'm not sure what's done that. They're not doing any more, which is nice. Okay, it's quite dark, so you guys probably can't see. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate. I can only just see it. I know YouTube does some weird things to my video recording quality. Like the last episode, it decided, you know what, you're not going to upload that in 60 FPS, you're going to upload that in 30 because I decided you will. So that was kind of annoying, but still. Oh well. Not too big a deal, but oh well. As you can see, these universal cables are really fancy. You can see the power running through them, just like that little green part. Now, they can cause a bit of lag if you have too many of them, which I will, in the end, have tons of them, but, you know, I'm sure whatever causes the lag will be fixed by that point, by the time I have absolutely stupid amounts of them. Right, so normally, when you're using the inscriber, you can only put one of the item in. That's why I put the hopper here. Because with the hopper there, it would just automatically feed them in. Because it stacks up here, it just doesn't stack when you put them in here. So, hoppers for the win, and that's a great way to semi-automate the thing. The inscribers. Is this still gaining power? It is, yeah. Good. If I were to get rid of you or disconnect you or something, would it still be gaining power? It is. Solar panels can keep up with it. That's cool. I like that. I could probably take the coal out of you then. So the solar panels are pretty good actually then. And in that case, yeah. Probably because of the fact that they are producing EU instead of RF, which has a much higher value power-wise, so. This machine only uses 20 RF per tick and it's produced like 1 EU per tick, which is like 5 RF, so that shoots about exactly right, pretty much. Yeah, we are losing power now, so we might be a little bit under, so we may need a few more in the long run. But they're definitely holding up nicely, considering that they are like the ultimate low in power for IC2. Let's see if I can make any more actually. Probably can. Let's get some more coal on the go in there. And another 12 glass. Bit more tin. Bit of iron. Cobblestone. That's really the lacking ingredient here is cobblestone, because I'm not keeping a nice supply of it, am I? Really. Still, if I get another 4 of these, then I can make a medium voltage solar array, which are pretty awesome, as you will find out, probably. Where did I put my forge hammer? It's in here. Good. 22 uses left, not enough. So I'll show you something that we've done over at the core base. So in a tools chest, we have the repair talisman. Ignore Alex's annoying things, but this is the repair talisman, and it repairs items that you put in there. So if I put the cutters in there, it will repair them. If I put the forge hammer in there, it repairs it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I like that. This is the lapis lazuli generator I was talking about. These energy collector Mark IIs. And my box of stuff that I have left over. I probably don't need, but still. Yeah. And our farm that is currently broken due to the wrong kind of cabling. These things don't accept power from that kind of cable for some reason. Even though they used to. They don't anymore though. It's kind of sad, but oh well. Food. I still don't have any decent amount of food. Have I got any here? No, I'll just grab half a stack of toast from there. Right, is our stuff done? Yeah, 4 channels done. Okay, so let's repair. That's 32 of those. That's 2 of these. Comes into cables, get 4 of these. Repair you again. I'll just build over here, I think. Make it a bit easier for me. Okay, you can turn into those, put those on top of the furnace. And we're going to need some circuit boards as well. Forgot about that. I was wondering why I wasn't using up as much durability on this as I did last time. I probably need some more copper cables as well. Just repair that quickly. Yes, I can't make it all over here, but